minutes. I think yes, I'm live finally. So after a long time, it is going to be a very simple and easy recipe. Basically, Pujo Durga Pujo is over and Dashera is over. So Lakshmi Puja is over. তো আমাদের একটু তো ডায়েট করা উচিত বিকজ কালী পুজো ইজ কামিং অ্যান্ড ভাই ফোঁটা ইজ কামিং সো বিফোর দ্যাট উই অলরেডি ইট সো মেনি থিং ইন দুর্গা পুজো নট ইন দশেরা so today I'm going to share a very easy and simple recipe. The recipe which this is not my recipe. Basically the name of the recipe, it is a very easy recipe. Everybody knows about that. The name of the recipe is Nepali aloo ko achar. So I'm not going to say that this is the authentic one. Let me adjust my camera at first. So okay, so I'm not going to tell you that this is the authentic one because there can be different kind of Nepali aloo ko achar. It depends on person to person or family to family. So the recipe I'm going to share, actually last year in 2025 I went to Darjeeling and Kannyam, Sriantu. So when I went to Kannyam in a small roadside eatery, I saw they are serving, they are actually preparing this Nepali aloo ko achar. I asked them because whenever I am going somewhere, I try to be in the kitchen. I love to watch how people are cooking. So I just asked them that what is all about. They said it's kind of Nepali aloo ko achar. So in their family, they prepare in this way. So I have the recipe, so many, I mean for at least few months. It's more than few months, almost a year coming. So I'm trying to actually prepare this recipe, but I'm not getting time. So I think this is the right time because I want to have some good food and at the same time it will be a diet food also. So let's start this version of Nepali aloo ko achar. So let me show you what are the ingredients I have. So rotate the camera at first. Here you go. And this one I have to flip the camera. Let me see, I forgot that because for a long time sorry, yeah, it's done. For a long time actually I was not doing any live, so I forgot that. So what I have, this is, I have boiled potato, these are carrots, cucumber, and this is sliced onion, and this is chopped coriander, and this is lemon or nimbu. I think you can see it properly. So what else we have? I have rock salt. If you don't have this rock salt, you can use any kind of salt. I saw them using rock salt, and this is little bit of turmeric. So I saw them using turmeric, and this is sesame seed. So this is the sesame seed. Actually we have to roast this sesame seed and we have to make a coarse powder. The coarse powder is it will look like this. So after roasting the sesame seed, I will show you how to roast it. And I already prepared this crushed powder. And for the tadka or tempering, I have this meethi and green chili, little bit of, because I cannot have green chili and I tell them that not to add lots of green chili. So I have this meethi and green chili and deseeded. So for me this is deseeded. If you want you can use with seed. They used red chili powder. So this is not the red chili powder, this is Kashmiri powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. So and I will prepare this in mustard oil. Most of the Nepali cuisine, if you see, you can see that they will prepare it in mustard oil. So I have this mixing bowl. It's visible, I guess. So first I will add this boiled potato. It's better to use hand, but you know I am using this red chili and I cannot tolerate the hotness of that, so I cannot mix it with my hand. And then this is carrot, and then cucumber is there. So first I will give a mix properly, and then I will add this onion slice. This will be good with rice. Basically we had with rice over there, and I heard that it will be good with roti or paratha, but I never tried with roti or paratha. Okay, so I have few friends, those who are Nepali, so if you can guide me, how you are making this aloo ko achar at your place, it will be better for me. Actually, I in Kannyam I had this kind of aloo ko achar, and in Darjeeling I had different kind of aloo ko achar. So this one I find very easy and very quick. I can prepare this. So okay, chopped coriander is there, and little bit of this Kashmiri red chili. I don't want to add more. So for salt I am using this rock salt. You can use normal salt also. And I am using this shada til or sesame seed crushed. This is the powder I am going to use. And what I forgot, this is the lime. As I said, it's a very easy recipe. It is almost done. You know, we Bengali often we have it. When I was in school, I have it aloo kabli. So this one particular, this recipe is sort of like that, reminds me of that. Not exactly the same, but yes, it will remind you. So, and little bit of lemon. I love lemon, that's why I'm using more lemon in this recipe. And I must have some this is mustard oil. So let me show you the mustard oil. This is what mustard oil I have. First I have to switch this camera again, because I am going to show you how to do the roast. This toast and roast, I am pretty confused. So here I am going to make it. I think you can see this. So little bit of adjustment of the camera. I'm planning to do something else, but after some time. So roasting. This is easy actually. I have to do it till these are brown, and then I have to crush it, not in the mixer grinder. It is in the, what we can say in Bengali, we call it hamandista, not motor pestle, right? Hamandista. So I will crush it. And I already showed you how to prepare the powder. So I will show you that the brown texture, once it will come, I will finish it off. So keep it here, and you can hear the crackling sound, and the crackling is started. So at this point the gas will be in a low temperature here. So it will be brown, and I'll keep this aside. because right now what we have to do, the chalk portion. So you can see it's already brown. So the brown color is there. I will wait for couple of seconds actually. So I shared already so many things in YouTube, like how was my puja and the pandal hopping, everything. So how was your puja, Durga Puja? I got few comments in YouTube but not in Facebook, and there will be more surprises. So it is done. Switch off the gas, and what you have to do, just once it's cooled down and then you can crush, not like this. So let me show you. It will be look like this. So I'll keep it aside, and even you can use this for in that recipe also for garnish purpose. So already it's heated. I will add this oil, mustard oil, little bit of turmeric powder here, not much, and then I will add this sesame seed and green chili. And now I have to switch this camera again. It is almost done. So the final part I'm going to do. Here you can see it properly. So you can see hear the crackling sound, right? And now the crucial part that will enhance the taste a lot. And here I will add little bit of roasted sesame seed. This is optional. When I prepared it at home, I love this aroma and taste of this sesame seed. So this is the easiest way to prepare this staple food. As I said, this is not, maybe this is not, I am not saying not, but maybe this is not the authentic one, but this is also very tasty. You can quickly, hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes to prepare, and have it with rice. I am going to have it with rice today. I mean not today, tonight. In dinner, I will have this aloo ko achar, the easiest one. I'm already drooling. I can have this aroma. So, time to finish it off. This is my kitchen, my rule, and the secret ingredients is always love. What do you say? So, let's come back. So, how was the recipe? I'm already live from Facebook and also from Instagram. Okay, so here you go. I have to adjust it. Here you go. This is your Nepali aloo ko achar, the quickest one I have prepared. Hope you will enjoy this recipe. You can have, if you're continuing your diet, in my diet, potato is really, there will be the potato. So this is the recipe you can always try at home, and do let me that it is good with paratha or roti, because I had it with rice and that is really good. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen, and definitely this recipe is going to be uploaded in YouTube very soon. And till then, every day I'm uploading different kind of, not the recipe, but so many things, and of course the Maddie Bee, the candle, different kind of candle every month I am uploading over there. People are responding so good, so well. So this is it. Enjoy your dinner. I'm going to enjoy my dinner with this Nepali aloo ko achar. Tra. Bye. Finish it off. I don't know how to finish it.